Welcome you to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel. Myself Sneha Devdare, your grade 1 maths teacher. So students, we will start with our math subject. Take out your saffron textbook everyone. Continuing with chapter number 6, that is shapes. What? Chapter number 6, shapes. Okay. So in the last period we have completed till here rolling and sliding. What? Rolling and sliding. Rolling means what? Rolling means what? Yes, जो ऐसे पोजीशन चेंज करता है, मतलब रोल करते हुए जाता है, कोलांटी खा जाना, हाँ रोल. और स्लाइडिंग मीन्स घसरने. ओके, सो रोलिंग एंड स्लाइडिंग. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, सी my practice time 5. Here they have given you some objects. You have to tick the objects that can only roll. जो ऑब्जेक्ट सिर्फ रोल कर सकते हैं उन्हें हमें टिक करना है. क्रॉस आउट द ऑब्जेक्ट्स दैट कैन ओनली स्लाइड. और जो स्लाइड करते हैं उन्हें क्रॉस करना है. सर्कल द ऑब्जेक्ट्स दैट कैन बोथ रोल एंड स्लाइड. और उस ऑब्जेक्ट को सर्कल करना है जो स्लाइड भी करते हैं और रोल भी करते हैं. ओके, फर्स्ट यू सी दिस वीडियो वन मोर टाइम.
Some objects can roll while some slide. Let us learn about them. There are some objects which can roll when you push them, such as the ball. The ball is rolling.
There are some objects which can slide when you push them, such as a book or a pencil box. The pencil box is sliding. There are some objects which can both roll and slide when you push them, such as a bottle or a birthday card.
Got it everyone? Now what we have to do? See, here in the practice time you have to tick the objects that can only roll. जो रोल करते हैं उन्हें टिक करना है, जो स्लाइड करते हैं उन्हें क्रॉस करना है और जो दोनों होते हैं उन्हें सर्कल करना है. ओके, नाउ फर्स्ट कैन यू सी व्हाट इज देयर इन द पिक्चर? What is there in the picture? Tomato. What it is? Tomato. So tomato can roll, slide or both? Tomato can roll, slide or both? Yes, it can only roll. Okay, it can only roll. Okay, now next, see, this is, first we will do on this activity, then we will write in the book. Okay, wait. Roll. Tomato can roll. Okay, we will submit this. Very good, it's correct. Next, this is what? Lock. Okay, this object can roll, slide or both. ये लॉक जो है वो रोल करता है, स्लाइड करता है या दोनों होता है? Which one? Yes, it can only slide. So S-L-I-D-E, slide. Shall we submit? Very good. Correct. Next, potato. What? Potato. Now, this object can dash, roll, slide or both. What? What? Potato can roll, slide or both? Shall we do for roll? Okay, come on. We will type here roll. Let us see. Roll. Very good. Nice. Roll. Potato can roll. Next, a compost box. Okay, a compost box. This object can roll, slide or both? Yes. कंपोस्ट बॉक्स सिर्फ रोल होता है या स्लाइड होता है या दोनों भी होता है? आई थिंक सो स्लाइड ना? यस, वेरी गुड. सो आई विल राइट हियर स्लाइड. आई विल सबमिट. वेरी गुड, फैंटास्टिक स्टूडेंट्स, वेरी नाइस. नेक्स्ट, बॉटल. ओके, बॉटल. दिस ऑब्जेक्ट कैन रोल, स्लाइड और बोथ? बॉटल ये रोल होता है या स्लाइड होता है सिर्फ या दोनों? यस, बोथ ना? रोल ऑल्सो एंड स्लाइड ऑल्सो. सो आई विल राइट दैट रोल एंड स्लाइड. SLIDE, slide, roll and slide. Wait. I have written here not both, so it is showing like that. Wait, BOTH, both. ROLL, roll, and SLIDE, slide. Now I will submit. Correct. Okay. Bottle, roll and slide. Very nice. Okay. Next. Carrot. Yes, carrot. Gajar. Does it roll, slide or both? Yes. Does it roll, slide or both? Yes. Come on, tell me fast. I think so it rolls. Can I write roll? Yes, students, agree? Okay, I will write a roll. I will submit. Wrong. Oh, it's wrong, students. Then what will come? Shall I write both? Once again, we will try. Or shall I write slide? What shall I write? Both I will do, okay? Let me check. See, you are giving the answers and I am here typing, okay? Now you are agree with this? Shall I submit? Let me check. Very good. Both roll and slide. Very nice. Awesome. Next, box. Box. This object can roll, slide or both? Yes, roll, slide or both? Yes, it is only slide. It's slide only, okay? Submit. Very good. Nice. Next, ball. It's very easy. Yes, na students? Very good. Roll. फटाक से आंसर दिया आपने. Let me check. Very good. Very nice. Bucket. Now tell me, Yes, now tell me, bucket can only slide, only roll, or both? Shall I go for both? 100% pakka? Okay. Wait, I will type here both, roll and SLIDE. Sorry, DE, slide. Okay, submit. Very good, fantastic students. Okay, understood? समझ में आया? कौन रोल होता है, कौन स्लाइड होता है, कौन दोनों होता है, ये सब समझ में आया? Very good. Next is this bag, okay? This object can roll, slide or both? I think so, only slide. Yes, na? Come on. Very nice. Okay? So, we have done with this all. Okay? Now we will write here. Fine. Tick the objects that can only roll, cross out the that can slide and circle that can do both. Okay? Just now only we have seen all the things. Now we will write there. Tomato can roll. So for rolling, what we have to do? We have to tick. So do here tick. Okay? Next, compost box. Compost box can slide. Sorry, compost box can roll or slide. It only slides. So for sliding, what is a? Cross out the object that can only slide. So cross. Finish. Box, it's only sliding. So cross. Okay? Right. Come on, be fast. चलो लिखो जल्दी से. Finish. Tomato can roll. Compost box slide. Box also slide. Finish. Check out the next one. Next is lock, and we have learned in the assignment that is lock only can slide. Okay, so cross. Next is what? Bottle. Okay, so bottle rolls also and slides also. So I will make here circle. Okay, उन्होंने क्या बताया देखो? Circle the objects that can both roll and slide. Come on. And next is ball. Ball only rolls. So tick. Come on, do it fast. Next, potato. Potato also only slides. So tick. Carrot. Yes, carrot. Carrot rolls also, slides also. Okay, so circle. And bucket. Bucket. Yes, bucket. Both. So this will also come circle. Okay, come on, do it. Do it fast. So potato rolls, carrot slides also and rolls also, and bucket rolls and slides too. Okay, so all the things we have finished. Now what are the things, which concepts you have learned in this chapter? let us have a summary. See, chapter number 6, shapes can form straight line and curved line. See, shapes ये किससे बनते हैं? Curved line से या फिर straight line से. Okay, straight line means, see, these are the straight lines. Okay, curved line means which are bent. Okay, fine. So straight and curved lines. Next, what we have learned? Plane shapes and solid shapes. Okay, how many plane shapes are there, dear students? 5. Tell me the name. Triangle, circle, rectangle, square, oval. Okay, triangle. How many lines a triangle has? How many sides? 1, 2, 3. How many? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Next, how many corners a triangle has? How many corners? 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, triangle. And example of triangle in our daily life? Yes. Sandwich. Yes, half sandwich. Okay. Next, which is the next plane shape? Circle. Okay, a circle is made up of one curved line. Example of circle? Coin. Yes, very good. Next is rectangle. What? Rectangle. How many straight lines or side a rectangle has? 4. And corners also? 4. Okay. Example of rectangle? Note. Yes. Okay. Next. Which is this shape? Which is this shape? Square. What? Square. All 4 sides are equal. Yes, na students? All 4 sides are equal. And this also has 4 corners. Yes? So, example of square. Come on, tell me the example of square. Biscuit. Yes, na students? And bread slice also. Okay? Next is oval. Next is oval. Okay? Oval is made up of one curved line. And example of oval? Egg. Yes, na students? Okay? So, plane shapes. Next, solid shapes. What? Solid shapes. How many solid shapes we have learned? Yes, how many solid shapes? 5 only. Tell the names. Tell the names. Cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder, sphere. Okay, these are the solid shapes. Let me see first one. Cube. How is the cube? 2 squares, and when we join, cube. Okay, example of cube? Ice cube. Okay, and dais. Very good. Next is cuboid. Two rectangles join becomes cuboid. Okay, example of cuboid. Yes, examples of cuboid. Bangle box, compost box, duster. Okay. Next, cone. Which one? Cone. Triangle and ear down curve. Cone. Okay. What is the example of cone? Which is the example? Yes, ice cream. And birthday cap. Very nice. Next, cylinder. Cylinder. Okay. What is the example of cylinder? Which is the example? Drum. Water bottle. Yes, these are the examples of cylinder. Next, last, sphere. Okay, sphere. Example of sphere? Football, basketball, and globe also. Okay, so all these solid shape we have learned. Now again, what last concept what we have learned in this chapter just now? Rolling and sliding. Okay, see, from these solid shapes they have told you which can slide and which can roll and which can both. Okay, so cube and cuboid, ये जो cube और cuboid है ना, cube और cuboid ये सिर्फ स्लाइड होते हैं. क्या होते हैं? स्लाइड होते हैं. ओके, कोन एंड सिलेंडर, कोन एंड सिलेंडर दे कैन बोथ रोल भी होते हैं और स्लाइड भी होते हैं. ओके, और स्फीयर जो है वो सिर्फ रोल होता है. ओके, एग्जांपल्स देखेंगे. क्यूब और ये क्यूबॉइड का क्या एग्जांपल है? डायस और डस्टर. डायस और डस्टर रोल होता है क्या? नहीं, सिर्फ स्लाइड होते हैं. ओके, कोन और सिलेंडर का एग्जांपल क्या है? बर्थडे कैप कोन एंड सिलेंडर बॉटल. ओके, सो बर्थडे कैप रोल भी होते हैं और स्लाइड भी होते हैं. बॉटल ऑल्सो रोल एंड स्लाइड. ओके, लास्ट स्फीयर. Okay, sphere example, ball, football, it rolls only. Okay, so examples also we have seen. So these are the things which we have learned in this chapter. Okay, now at the last see here what they have given. Corner. Corner means where two sides meet. देखो, मैंने already आपको बोला था कॉर्नर किसे बोलते हैं? जहाँ पे टू साइड, ये एक साइड ये एक साइड कहाँ पे मिलते हैं? यहाँ पे. तो ये हो गया कॉर्नर. ये एक साइड कहाँ पे मिलते हैं? यहाँ पे कॉर्नर. ये एक साइड कहाँ पे मिलते हैं? यहाँ पे कॉर्नर. ओके. एज. एज मीन्स व्हाट? द स्ट्रेट लाइंस दैट फॉर्म अ शेप. ये देखो, इसे एज बोलते हैं. ओके, क्या है ये? एज. द लाइन, स्ट्रेट लाइन इज कॉल्ड एज. ओके. सॉलिड. सॉलिड मीन्स व्हाट? हार्ड एंड फर्म इन शेप. घट्ट. हाँ, सॉलिड. ओके, सो ऑल द शेप्स, लाइन्स, rolling, sliding we have learned in this chapter. Okay, so students, in this chapter we have learned straight lines, curved lines, plane shape or basic shapes, solid shapes and the things which rolls and slides. Okay, all the concepts, hope it is clear to you, and in this way we have completed our chapter number 6, that is shape. Thank you.